Welcome to the Ruffle Daisy. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Easter Bunny mason jar out of one of the kits we have. This is just a wood kit, so it is just the mason jar that you get. We are adhering scrapbook paper to our mason jar, and so you're simply just going to trace it and adhere it with a little bit of Mod Podge. Once your scrapbook paper is on, you're going to want to sand off the excess. I do use about 200 grit sandpaper for this kind of project where you're just sanding off the edges. Next, I actually just got online and downloaded a bunny pattern and traced it onto scrapbook paper, and that is what we are going to adhere. We put Mod Podge on the back of the bunny, and then we're going to adhere it to the front of our mason jar. And of course, every bunny has to have a cute bunny butt, so we put a little pom-pom ball on the little butt of the bunny. Now, I am lining the top of the mason jar, kind of like where the rims of the mason jar are. I'm actually putting pearls on it, and we're going to do 2 layers here that you're going to see. At this point, I thought the bunny needed a little bit something extra, so I actually just made a bow out of some twine and adhered it to the bunny. So cute, I just adhered it around the neck. Now we are taking some twine, adhering it to the back and wrapping it around the front in between the 2 rows of pearls that we laid up at the rim of the mason jar. In true Ruffle Daisy fashion, we have to add a bow to it. So now we are just going to make our scrappy bow to dress it up and embellish it a little bit more. This last step is totally optional, but I actually laid a fine line of hot glue all around the edges, and I adhered my twine to it, and it just kind of framed the little bunny and made it totally adorable. Now, since it's springtime, we needed to add a little bit of grass or moss, and this is just the moss that we get at the floral department. You can pick it up at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, anywhere. You really can't see the moss in this picture, but this turned out adorable. This is so cute to liven up some of your Easter decor or to really give as a gift. If you love this DIY and like all things home creative, please visit theruffledaisy.org and follow me on all the social media channels.